Are you in the market for a commercial or fleet work truck in Sarasota, Florida? Look no further than Sarasota Ford's Commercial Vehicle Center. Located at 707 South Washington Boulevard, it's a certified Ford Pro Commercial Vehicle Center. Sarasota Ford offers a wide range of Class 1 to 7 vehicles, including work trucks and vans. This certification places Sarasota Ford among over 650 dealerships nationwide focused solely on commercial vehicles. Buying for a fleet is different from purchasing a personal vehicle. Business buyers need tailored financing, upfitting, and dedicated service support. Sarasota Ford excels in providing these areas. Various upfitting options are available, from flatbeds to cargo vans, service utility vans, landscape dumps, and box trucks. Each vehicle is customized for the specific business needs. What's more, Sarasota Ford offers mobile service for fleets. Factory-trained technicians will come directly to your job site, minimizing downtime. Financing is structured based on fleet size and business credit rather than standard consumer loans. This flexibility is vital for companies. Sarasota Ford also provides both new and used commercial trucks, allowing businesses to choose what fits best within their budgets. Before choosing a commercial truck dealer, ensure they are a Ford Pro Commercial Vehicle Center. Ask about in-house upfitting capabilities, mobile service, and financing options that cater to business needs. Ready to transform your fleet? Visit Sarasota Ford's Commercial Vehicle Center today. Browse their inventory, discuss upfitting options, or call 941-296-6907 for specialized assistance.